Pressure washers are the modern way to clean our defined areas or things. For many days, these washers needed both water and electricity to clean and had area restrictions. But now, we have the cordless pressure washers in our hands, which are compact, portable, powerful, and provide a standout runtime to get jobs done. So, in today's video, we will talk about the 6 best portable cordless pressure washers, which you can use for any type of cleaning you need. So, without any further delay, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Get all types of washing tasks done by the WORX Power Cleaner, a portable cordless pressure washer with variable pressure types when dealing with your different jobs. Coming with two 40-volt rechargeable lithium batteries, this power cleaner runs up to 30 minutes and provides enough power to clean your cars, patios, bicycles, benches, and many more. It generates up to 520 pounds per square inch pressure to remove tough stains, while the trigger lock ensures your safety when you are washing. This cordless washer will assure you a larger spraying area with the 6 mode options, including foam jet and shower mode, so that you can have variable pressures according to your work type. Additionally, an extension wand and 360-degree rotatable spray nozzle allow you to easily clean dirt from the roof and inside the wheels. Moreover, this cleaner also has a 20 feet long hose that can draw water from any water source like a lake, pool, bucket, etc. Overall, in order to have a lightweight and compact cleaner that can complete your different kinds of washing with a standard runtime, you must keep this washer on your wish list. Now meet with the MR Lions Pressure Washer, an innovative power cleaner that can meet your needs with its upgraded spray nozzle and larger spraying area. Having dual 40-volt batteries, this compact cleaner can provide you with a standard level of runtime. It also comes with 6 different modes to get the variable speed and an adjustable spray nozzle that can save a lot of water and makes operations easier and quicker. Plus, this portable power cleaner is a space-saving cleaning solution that delivers up to 520 pounds per square inch, so you can complete a wide range of washing jobs at home or outdoors. To sum up, the Fi-Heart MR Lions Pressure Washer is one of the exemplary power tools that is pretty lightweight, yet features a lot of beneficial aspects with a larger spraying area. Get the ultimate solution for all your problems with the WORX Pressure Washer, the most affordable cleaning gun that is designed for the pros and has a lot of beneficial sides. With its multi-function nozzle and 6 different modes, you can choose the desired one based on your needs. Plus, it can generate up to 380 pounds per square inch working pressure, with up to 135 liters per hour flow rate. Besides, you can have a minimum suction height of 4 meters when you need to reach high. The 20-feet hose can effectively filter impurities, particles, waste leaves, etc. to ensure uninterrupted cleaning. In case you require such a pressure washer that comes with a very low price but has no shortage of functions, then the WORX Cordless Pressure Washer will be a worthy option for you. Get perfect solutions for all your washing issues with the DEWALT DCP-W550B, a portable and value-for-money cleaning gun that offers high-quality cleaning with extra convenience. This tool can do a wide range of cleaning tasks with a maximum of 550 pounds per square inch speed and 1.0 gallons per minute of flow rate. Packed with a 20-volt battery, this cordless cleaning tool offers you 10 times extra power of the hose and extended runtime. Also, it features dual speed control for higher cleaning power, while the 1/4 inch quick connect nozzle allows you to get faultless operations. So if you are seeking a high-powered cleaning tool with dependable qualities for your tough job site conditions, the DCPW550B can be the best value for money option for you. Save yourself from the hassle of cleaning for hours by the Sunjo X2 PW1200CT, an innovative washer that has maximum maneuverability and technologies to tackle your toughest jobs at home or outdoors. It's equipped with a 48-volt, 600 watts self-priming pump motor that generates up to 1,196 pounds per square inch of pressure and 1 gallon per minute of flow rate. Besides, you can pick the perfect pressure between 650 and 800 pounds per square inch that will suit your definite project with the exclusive Pressure Select technology. Including two 24-volt, 4-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, this cordless cleaning tool can assure up to 20 minutes of rechargeable runtime, so you can complete a standard range of cleaning per charge. With the innovative EcoSharp technology that ensures no fade power, this washing tool lets you do your jobs perfectly, with pure cleaning power. Moreover, it also features a top-loading detachable 6.6-gallon bucket and base that assures constant water flow, while the Easy Glide wheels provide maximum maneuverability, which makes this tool a worthy option indeed. WORX has got a lot of response from the users for bringing standout DIY power tools. Now meet its WG649, an ideal cleaning tool that is a bit pricey but has high efficiency features, with the versatility to complete with any kind of job condition. Coming with two 20-volt high-capacity 4-amp-hour batteries, this cleaning tool offers you outstanding power and extended runtime to do your cleaning of cars, motorcycles, benches, and so many you can think of. Plus, this superior washer has a strong brushless motor that generates up to 725 pounds per square inch of water pressure and 1.1 gallons per minute flow rate. It also features a versatile 4-in-1 nozzle that lets you change the water pressure, which means you can easily complete your various types of applications. Overall, WORX is a renowned brand to choose from, and this pressure washer is the example that will satisfy your demands. So that was our list of the 6 best portable cordless pressure washers just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this one on your feed.